Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, tax cuts worth up to $14 billion. Yes, you heard right, tax cuts. It's not what Jamaicans are used to hearing at budget time, at least not in recent memory. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm now joins us live with that report. Andrea, tax cuts.
Yes, Archie, the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, was making his first budget presentation inside a packed Gordon House today. And he focused on a number of issues relating to the economy. But the big ticket item was the tax cut, and that came from 6 different tax types. Let's take a look.
Last year, there were no new taxes, and this year,
it is now time to give back.
First up, the $60,000 minimum business tax.
Your business is in trouble. It was going good, but you lose 2 contracts. The government still wants the minimum business tax. Mr. Speaker, it is so indiscriminate. It applies whether the company is active or is dormant. For this reason, Mr. Speaker, effective April 1st, we will abolish the minimum business tax.
Businesses making less than $10 million will also get a reprieve. Now they pay GCT if they make $3 million and over. Come April 1, they will pay GCT if their sales exceed $10 million.
This, Mr. Speaker, will mean that approximately 3,500 small businesses that currently file GCT will no longer be required to do so.
Transfer tax on property and financial instruments will also be cut, moving from 5% to 2%. And to transfer the estate of the dead, taxes will only be paid on assets valued more than $10 million, up from $100,000. As for the ad valorem stamp duty on things like registering land or refinancing a mortgage, 4 words: it will be abolished.
In its place, Mr. Speaker, we will have nominal processing fees that do not disincentivize these transactions. These fees will be $5,000 per transaction. So when you hear that interest rates are moving down and yours not moving, and some other institution offers you a better rate, phase the financial institution out. The government will not stand in your way.
Also abolished, the asset tax paid by non-financial institutions.
This is a $14 billion tax stimulus that abolishes and lowers distortionary transaction taxes to catalyze increased transaction volume, increase business and economic activity.